We are pleased to show you the 2023 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth. Your new ride is just a phone call away.